All right, y'all. So now we are down to, this might be hard to see, but 52 minutes. All right, and it's still showing everything's running. Okay. I'm still on medium on the battery. That's the DL1000. Guys, I mean, honestly, this is absolutely gonna work. So here's what I'm thinking now at this point. Okay. Here's what I'm thinking at this point is I am wanting to put it in this box. Okay. And see, this box is stationary. It does, obviously, you know, it doesn't roll with the bed. So I want to put it in a box and then make a coupling here and come up to here somewhere. And I'm just going to have like a split duct system. One going over to the passenger side and then something, you know, over here on my side. I'm thinking about that. What do y'all think? Man, any of you guys just comment below. Mike May. And then so also I have this spot here. Okay, I know it's dirty, y'all. I mean, I know it's dirty. Caesar Torres is gonna kill me, bro. I'm sorry, Caesar. Anyways, so, but yeah, I mean, for real, there's this, but man, I'm so scared of having it in the cabin. You know, it's not that I'm not, and I mean, I hate cutting holes in the truck, y'all, but I mean, at this point, there's no parts for this truck. And so, anyways, I am, Caesar, I'm cleaning this now. I'll get a video of that in a minute. But yeah, so I'm thinking of going here. Anyways, let me know what y'all think. If you haven't already, smash that like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. This old 1991 Hino, it's my first tow truck, and this is my company. Let me see. My name's Darren. I'm the owner, for those of y'all who haven't met me. And yeah, so let's see where we're at. I mean, she's kicking true blue. 54 minutes now, okay? Showing everything's looking good. Oh, diesel. So I put this much in there, okay? Now I've ran it for 2, last night for 30. How long, y'all? So it's ran for probably going on an hour and a half to hour and 45 minutes or so. I only bought $4 worth of diesel. All right, and y'all see how much is in that can. So anyways, yeah, if you haven't already, guys, I'm still trying to get to where, you know, I can get my videos monetized and stuff. I'm really close for the year. So if you guys please just smash that like button, because I'm not getting paid a penny for any of this and haven't since I've had the channel. But you know, it takes work. You got to work towards it. It's just like anything else. You got to put it in if you want it. And man, Lord knows have I been putting it in. So if you guys don't mind, just comment down below on any advice you may have on where you may place it. I can weld. I've taught myself how to weld, and if you want to see more of that, let me know. Thanks, guys. So here we are. We're at the hour mark. Hour and 1 minute running, no issues. It hasn't smoked like crazy or nothing. Jumpbox is still solid, dead set in the center. Man, it seems to be working, y'all. I mean, we're at an hour. I mean, that's pretty, I mean, that's enough. That's enough. I mean, I'm not even gonna have this thing running full time like that. I mean, it's just not. I mean, right now it's pretty cold in Georgia. I'm not sure how cold, but I mean, it's this rain that's coming down. It feels like it's icy. So I think this thing's gonna be pretty solid, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this video up, and I appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna wait and see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kind of go off some of the comments, and we'll figure it out from there as far as where I'm gonna install it. So far the ideas are gonna be in the box here, and just have a vent that has a little connector here, and that comes up, and I can have a splitter going behind the passenger seat, or in here, which I'm cleaning now because it was really dirty. I mean, it was dirty. I don't know if this had ever been cleaned. I mean, this was like like this when I bought it, but yeah, so I know, like I said, Cesar Torres, who's big about keeping his truck clean, I'm like, bro, you're dead on that one. Sorry, Cesar. But anyways, I was thinking about putting it here, okay? And if that doesn't work, I don't know, you guys. Just kind of let me know something. Mike May, let me know something. Give me some ideas, guys. I appreciate y'all. All right, so I'm getting the truck straightened out and getting the box cleaned out to see if I can get the Wippro to fit in there. And so just kind of rolling all the straps up and getting things a little organized. But yeah, so once again, guys, let's see here, right? And I've been cleaning it out. It's getting better. Here, I don't think I can get it behind the passenger seat. I mean, I guess I could, but I don't know. I've got to, I got to fix that weld there. See that broken? I got to weld that, but all the seat belts and stuff work. So anyways, yeah, man, getting it cleaned up a little bit. I got a lot more to go. But yeah, so this little heater, guys, has been blowing for an hour and 13 minutes straight, non-stop. And it's dead on medium. So yeah, it's going pretty good. Be back with y'all. So it gave me enough time to completely straighten out the truck, get my winch straight, get things organized. Okay, we are at an hour and 52 minutes, and finally it's starting to show it going to red on the Jumpbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill it, guys. But yeah, if you like this video, and guys, I'm gonna be either putting it in here or back there. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think would be best. And then yeah, thanks for watching. All right, y'all, so this is gonna be the final part of the video, just kind of showing you where we got with the truck as far as getting things straightened out. I have not made the decision on where the heater's going. I'm kind of waiting for some advice, but I was able to get the truck straightened out. Okay, y'all might not be able to see great because I got a screen protector on my phone, but got the just stuff organized, you know what I mean? My binder, my straps, hooks, all my tools organized, my straps, just kind of getting things straightened out. So like I was saying, the two choices that I'm gonna have, and I fixed this as well, and it does fit in here. I just have to cut some holes in the bottom there, and then, you know, a hole in the side. But I know that does mean that the air has to travel further now, which I know that's probably going to mess with the volume that's coming in the truck. But and then so I got it straightened out pretty good to where. But yeah, I have like wires and stuff down there, so I'm not too excited about the thought of putting it in here. I guess just for wintertime, this is an option, and then I could put like some foam in it and then just pop it out come wintertime. I don't know. Maybe the center. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think, guys. I just, you know, while it's been slow, it's just been really slow too. But I don't usually let that stuff get me down. I typically those are the days where I try to get things straightened up and cleaned up and get some progress done, you know. But so yeah, just let me know what y'all think, and I'm kind of gonna roll off of some of y'all's ideas. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Thanks.